Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video you will understand how to use MicroPython to switch on and switch off an LED at the interval of 5 seconds using ESP32 microcontroller. One thing you should note that ESP32 microcontroller has Wi-Fi chip. It means it can be connected with internet and you can use several applications like sending data to WhatsApp, sending data to Telegram, sending data to cloud services, etc. Now again we are using MicroPython here. So it has easy syntax compared to C++. So another advantage here. So MicroPython is basically Python, but here it has limited libraries. That is just suitable for microcontrollers. It is designed for every syntax is the same. If else, for loop, function you can make classes, but there are limited library that can be used with MicroPython. So see that here you can see that here LED as well as microcontroller ESP32 board. So first task is to connect. So just connecting it with board. So negative pin I am connecting with ground, positive with pin number 13. Now connections are done. It's time to write the code. So it is a Python program. So you know that if you are familiar with Python, so you will require some libraries. So first library I am using pin, this module from machine library. So I am just importing it from machine, import pin. Here machine library contains functions related to the hardware like CPU, timers, buses, etc. And of course it contains a function or a method or module which would be used to configure a pin. Now second one, I will use uTime library from which I will import sleep function. So from uTime import sleep. These two libraries are imported. Now let us create an object. So I am giving the name of object LED, and you have to use pin method, in which pin method will take two arguments, pin number and purpose of the pin. So purpose of the pin is for output. So pin dot out. Thereafter you will use a loop, because like Arduino, it does not contain any loop function. So you have to define an infinite loop or finite loop for continuously running of the code. So I am using while true that is infinite loop, and the statements I will write inside infinite loop which will run continuously. So first function I am going to write LED dot on. So LED will be on for how long? So you have to use sleep function, which is like delay function in Arduino. Sleep five, it takes an argument which is in second. So here sleep 5 means wait for 5 seconds. Now let us off the LED. So LED dot off. For how long? So again I am specifying sleep. So sleep 5 seconds. Now code is written. Let us run it. Now you can see that LED is glowing. Now it is off, again glowing. Now you can observe that at the interval of 5 seconds these things are happening here at the interval of 5 seconds. So this was about how to use simple MicroPython program to glow an LED at the interval of 5 seconds. That means 5 seconds it would be on and another 5 seconds it would be off. So thanks for watching the video. In future I will bring videos related to Wi-Fi, networking, and how to send data to WhatsApp, Telegram. So again, thanks for watching the video.